Good morning, Hyderabad. How about a morning walk at the cable bridge? I'm here on a morning walk. So let's go and see. I've seen a beautiful place and I've never come here before. I just thought I'll follow this way. And look at this, guys. How beautiful this is. You see these trees. This is the Durgam Cheruvu lake, and this place is just below the flyover or the bridge. I'm gonna take you ahead. I think there are a few people practicing or jogging, maybe exercise, I'm not sure. But I can hear them. And trust me, you guys have to come here once. I am loving it. Foggy morning, the weather is absolutely beautiful and I have such a beautiful place to explore. Check it out. Guys, we have lake resort over here and this is the way, as you can see, to go on the top of the hill, but I cannot go right now since the place is closed, but I'm sure you should visit here once. So now that's the boating place, different types of boats. Meet my new friend. Her name is Swati, and she would be telling something about this park to us. So Swati, how long have you been coming here for walking?
I'm coming here since last 1.5 months.
1.5 months, wow. And how do you love this place?
It's nature.
Isn't it? It's really, really beautiful. You can see the birds over there.
There is many more things. There is water park and water boats and pedal boats for exercise.
Wow.
And there is a fishing. And there is a masjid. And there is a park. And there is a restaurant But
Restaurant
since
is there?
now it is closed.
Oh,
On the top of the hill,
wow.
they arranged one restaurant.
Wow.
But since Corona time they closed. There is like lot more things. We can really experience it. It opened from early morning 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock and evening 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Okay, so people usually come here for walk. Like it's
Yeah, walk, and there is a gymming also.
Mhm.
And for kids there is a play area. Ahead we can find everything.
wow. How I'm amazed. Like how come I missed this place? Since I am here in Hyderabad since
It's
so many
recently
years.
constructed. It's not recently. We can say it's last 1.5 year.
Okay, but still, I mean, 1.5 year and we don't know about it. But at least, I'm glad that I came to see this place now, and I'm so glad that I met you. Thank you
Many
so
people
much.
likes this place.
Yeah. It is worth
But
watching.
It's really
worth coming here. Very
So
beautiful.
early morning walk is really very good. There is yoga center. There is immersion time. So everything is there. Everything is there.
I'm sure, guys, you should really come to this place.
Should really
And if you come in the morning, you might meet Swati over here. So don't forget to say her hi.
And meet Sweta also.
Of course.
Even she is too crazy.
All right. So let us know how did you feel about this place in comment section. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.